Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these socks. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn and make slip knot. Yarn over and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I made 36 chains in here. Measure these chains around your foot. If you want to make larger than this size, add more chains in here, multiple of 4. We made chains multiple of 4. Now we have 36 chains in here. You have your foundation chains. Work being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Yarn over, pull through these yarns together, make a ring. In here add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3, go to 4. Fourth chain, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to 4th chain, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 3 chains, go to here, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 3 chains, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 3 chains, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3, go to here, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains, go to here, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 3 chains, go to here, make 1 single crochet. We have 3 chains in here. Skip this stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these stitches. In last stitch, continue like this. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch in here, insert your hook, pull up yarn. In here we have 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, make a chain in first yarn, pull through. Now we have 1. I show from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of these stitches. In here continue 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains. I show in last stitch. In here make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch. In here insert your hook, pull up yarn, add 1 chain. In here pull through, and repeat like this. Make more rows. 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 single crochet. Make more rows like these rows. I made 25 rows in here. If you can make long socks, you can make more rows. Make 2 chains, yarn over, in last stitch pull up yarn, add 1 chain, pull through. I show. In here we skip 3 chains and make 1 single crochet. Continue, make 1 2 3 chains, go to next chains. In here I show we make 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to next chains. In here 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 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 1 single crochet. In last stitch make a chain, go to first stitch, same as before, rows, yarn over, go to here, pull up yarn, in here don't make chain, pull through, go to same stitch. In here insert your hook, pull up yarn, add 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to these chains, 1 2 single crochet, go to this single crochet. We have 1 single crochet in here, make a single crochet in these chains, 1 2 single crochet, in this single crochet make a single crochet. In here 1 2 1 1 2 in single crochet, 1, I show, 2 single crochet in here, 1 single crochet in this single crochet, 2 in chains, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. In first stitch we have 1 single crochet. In here we make 1 more single crochet, go to first stitch, slip stitch, continue, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, in next stitch pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, in next stitch pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, in here pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, and repeat, pull up yarn, pull up yarn. I show into last stitch, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through. In here we start to decrease stitches. Repeat, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, continue, pull up yarn, in here join this stitch, I show, take 2 stitches, 1 in this side, 1 in other side, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip